So I'm back out on the trail, back at Tiger Jaw Falls, because I'm gonna head up to Dyson. I had a friend convince me I'm having kind of a rough weekend again. I had a friend convince me I needed to get out of the house. So I am hiking with a friend. He's asked not to be published, so there might be glimpses, but I am with somebody on this one, which is awesome. And we're gonna go up to Dyson Falls and have some fun. Thank you to my friend for getting me out of the house. Here's Tiger Jaw again, from the super ugly bridge.
In a coffee can, throw my nickels in.
So if you bring a Ukrainian into the forest, they're gonna disappear into the forest looking for mushrooms. You need to know that.
I will go if you ask me to, and I will stay if you dare. If I go, I'm going shameless.
Well, can you hear it? I hear it. I thought that person behind me was something running to eat me too, by the way, but I hear a waterfall. Well, Dyson Falls, waterfall smile. That's a quick hike. The waterfall smile from below. The water's dude cold, but I gotta go get in this waterfall. Well, another way to tell I'm out with the Ukrainian. I don't know how they can bring hot corn everywhere. Kukuruza.
If I go, I'm going on fire. The mind you're taking.
So I just had a good talk with my friend, and I'm just going to share with you guys, why do I do this? Why am I doing all these waterfalls? Why has it taken some time for me to actually get to another waterfall? And he's just trying to keep healthy while I miss my kids. I do have 2 kids. I haven't seen them 2 years, 2 months, and 25 days. And I miss them, and I need to stay strong. I need to stay pertinent. I need my kids to see that I'm doing interesting things and to know that I'm still a healthy dad, and I can't wait to see them again. And I will. That's why I'm doing this.
If you ask me to, I will stay if you dare.
Well, Dyson Falls was fun, and had to stop at Sheep River Falls again to show my friend. He's making another trip again too. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. Support me as I try to keep up my feet.
Let my dark